Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to discuss how do you know it is time to change your hub bearing. The hub bearing, also known as hub assembly or wheel bearing, is going to make a lot of noise when it starts to fail. When a hub bearing starts to fail, it's going to have a high-pitched noise. For example, you may hear humming noise, you may hear squeaking noise, you may hear metallic noise, growling noise, and so on. Here I have the hub bearing removed from the suspension. As you can hear in the initial stage, it starts to make a squealing noise. So again, in the initial stage, you're going to hear a high-pitched noise, again, such as squealing noise, squeaking noise, and so on. If you do not replace the wheel bearing on time, sooner or later, the bearing starts to fail internally and it's going to make a different noise. Again, that's where you're going to hear that metallic noise, that growling noise, and so on. These noises can be heard at all speed. At low speed, the noise is going to sound kind of low, but as you are driving faster, the noise is going to gradually increase and get louder. At this point, you're going to notice drivability issue and instability while driving. You will also notice that you don't have much control maintaining a straight line while driving straight. You will also notice that you have a hard time turning left and turning right. At this point, most drivers are going to notice strong vibration coming from the suspension area and also loud rumbling noise. The vibration can be felt in the steering wheel, and as you are driving, you're going to notice the steering wheel shaking a lot. When you reach to this point, when the wheel bearing is completely bad, let's just say, for example, when you're driving, let's just say you hit a speed bump or a pothole, or you're driving on uneven road surfaces, there's a good chance that the wheel bearing can fall apart. When the wheel bearing falls apart, the driver can actually lose control, which is actually a dangerous situation. If it comes to the point where the wheel bearing completely falls apart, the wheel can actually fall off and again causing another very dangerous situation. There are a lot of reasons why wheel bearing fail, and the one reason is going to be just natural wear and tear and rust buildup. The second common reason is that it's due to lack of lubrication. Again, if you have a lot of miles on your vehicle and you have not changed your wheel bearing for a very long time, again, it is time to change the wheel bearing because most likely it's no longer lubricated, and again, the wheel bearing is going to fail. The next common reason why wheel bearing fail is going to be stress. Example, stress can be caused by poor driving habit, or it can be caused by just driving on poor road condition, such as driving on uneven road surfaces, going over potholes, driving over speed bumps, and so on. Also, if you have a truck and you tend to carry a lot of heavy materials, that can also cause increased stress on the wheel bearing and cause it to prematurely fail as well. Furthermore, such as road salt, mud, can contaminate the wheel bearing over time, again causing it to prematurely fail. Also, the weight of your tire is also important. For example, let's just say if you have 19-inch tires and suddenly change it to 24-inch, again, that's going to cause increased stress on the wheel bearing. It's also important to have good alignment and make sure your tires are balanced. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.